In front of me is OnePlus Nord CE to Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock on this OnePlus. First of all, you need to access Clock app. Then choose Alarm at the bottom left corner if it's not already on, and tap on this plus icon. Over here, set up an hour and choose days of the week by clicking on the chosen ones. Then click on Add Label and label your alarm however you wish to. Now tap on Save, scroll down and tap on this switcher next to Vibrate to disable or enable vibrations. Following that, click on Alarm Ringtone and tap on Allow. Then select the best melody for you by clicking on the one that you wish to set up, or choose on this device and pick music from your smartphone. Then you need to go back and click on Allow again. Now choose Set Alarm, and as you can see, mine was successfully added. If you wish to switch it off completely, click on the switcher next to it. If you want to turn it back on, tap on the same one. If you wish to delete your alarm, you need to hold it, tap on this delete icon. And if you wish to adjust small alarm settings, click on this gear one at the top right corner and adjust all of them however you want to. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!